How can you enable light mode on your Mimo app? We'll go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your Mimo app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, just go down here, you come here to appearance, you just click on it. When you just click on appearance, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on light. When you just click here on light, it's going to change with you here to light mode like you see now. So that's all you have to do to change your light mode. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking